Hey, what's up, everybody? This is JK from Burn the Night, and we're back at it today with a model kit from Masterbox. This is from their new series that's going to be coming out, and it is the post-apocalyptic series, The Last Bridge. Kit number 1, and this is Sabrina. Sabrina is a 1/24 scale model kit. Really cool detail. Masterbox always knocks it out of the park with their detailing. And I'm going to flip this box over because on the other side you're going to see that here's all the color coding and everything, Masterbox. But right down here they're going to have more, new characters coming out in this series, and it reminds me a lot of the 1/35 scale Masterbox Skull Clan. Similar storyline, environmental disaster, the world is at war, all against all. A bunch of clans get together to survive. And it looks like it's going to be a cool kit to collect and detail. This is the first one. This is Sabrina. And she's really cool. Dig it, dig it, dig it. I put her on this little diorama. It looks kind of like a little abandoned building, communication center. It's the last bridge. So anyway, thanks for watching. And as usual, I get all my model kits from plasticmodelstore.com. Ukraine company, great shipping, great prices, best variety of Masterbox model kits you'll find on the web. And they're really cool people. So check them out, and thanks for watching, and we'll get back to you soon. Keep being creative, and rock on.